afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us today for today's webinar. My name is Janika Chaudhary, and I am working as a HOD in Electronics and Communication and Biomedical Engineering Department in Diploma Studies at Parul University. Let me tell you, Parul University is leading provider of innovative graduates in the Gujarat as well in India. Today we are presenting webinar on Gratitude is the Best Attitude by Mr. Sharad Jani. Just a little housekeeping before we get started. If you have any questions during the presentation, please send it to me on WhatsApp. Write down the WhatsApp number 9016402712. I'm repeating my number 9016402712, so that I will bring them up during the presentation, and we will also have time for questions at the end. Now we'll turn the time over to Mr. Sharad. So Mr. Sharad is alumni of our Parul University. He has completed his Bachelor of Engineering in Electronics and Communication in 2010. He has wide experience of working in various fields as sales, marketing, as well as in the technical. He is director of Ample Solar Private Limited. That Ample Solar Private Limited is well-reputed organization which deals in solar street lights, solar rooftop system in residential and commercial segments in Gujarat as well as in Maharashtra since more than 6 years. Along with being a known person in Gujarat solar industry, he is also a member of GCCI, that is Gujarat Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and BNI, that is Business Network International. He had also delivered various offline and online sessions to academic and industrial organizations on motivational topics. So now, without wasting time, I am turn over to this session to the Mr. Sharad. Okay, Sharad sir, you can continue now.
Thank you, madam, for the brief introduction. For me, it's a proud moment because the institute where I was a student, I was a part of the institute, and today I'm delivering a webinar to the people of this institute. So I thank you for giving me this opportunity, and I welcome all the faculty members of Parul University, the technical staff who's handling the session, and all the viewers who are watching this webinar live on Facebook. So without wasting any further time, let us start today's webinar. As you have already told, the topic for today's webinar is gratitude is the best attitude. So before we begin in the depth of what does the gratitude is giving effect in our life, first we need to understand what are the actual meaning and difference of both gratitude and attitude. So normally किसी को अगर पूछा जाए कि what is the attitude, so maybe major of the people will know the attitude is like how we behave, how we talk, how we reply to any situation, how we take the things in our life, positive, negative. So that is the common answer we'll be getting. But if we ask what is the gratitude, so it will be quite confusing, right? So let us first start with this webinar and we'll see what is the difference, benefits, what are the ways, and so many things which we can cover in the given time. So guys, let us summarize the webinar. आप लोग मुझे ऑलमोस्ट 40 to 45 मिनट्स तक बिना कुछ बोले सुनने वाले हो. सो दिस इज नॉट अ इंटरेक्टिव सेशन, मतलब मैं बोलूँगा आप सुनोगे, यू डोंट हैव एनी ऑप्शन. ओके, सो लेट अस समराइज दिस थिंग कि क्या होने वाला है. सो इट विल बी इजी फॉर यू टू कैच अप most of the positive things from this webinar, which can be helpful in your academics, which can be helpful in your routine life. So in this webinar, there are majorly three things. First, we'll understand what is the actual meaning of attitude and gratitude. The second phase is how we can express gratitude, and at the last we'll see benefits of gratitude. Okay, apart from these bhari words, there are some stories in this webinar, so it will keep you interested, it will keep you listening, और आप लोग ज़्यादा बोर नहीं हो ऐसा प्रयत्न करूँगा. So let us start what the actual meaning of attitude and gratitude. So if you go by the definition, what is the definition of attitude? So in a simple way, it is the way of feeling or acting towards a person, thing or situation. So जैसा कि हमने शुरुआत में बताया, एटीट्यूड के बारे में सबको पता है, मतलब उसका एटीट्यूड बहुत ज़्यादा है. ही इज़ वेरी एटीट्यूड पर्सन. He's very negative person. He's full of with the positive attitude. We have heard this kind of sentence in our life, right? It can be academics, दोस्तों के साथ, family के अंदर, in our business, in our job life. We have heard this word attitude. So how we feel, how we react to the person, to the situation, to the events which are frequently happening with us, that kind of mindset is known as an attitude of a person. It can be a group of person. Sometimes you feel like there is a 4 to 5 people of group and they don't respond to anyone, they don't help anyone. So what we say, यार उनको रहने दो यार, they मतलब उनके साथ मजा नहीं आएगा, so उनको रहने दो. So it can be an individual, it can be a group of people who's having a combined attitude, right? So in simple manner, attitude is a way of feeling or acting towards a person, thing or situation. Clear? Simple funda hai, ठीक है? Now let's go to gratitude. Now gratitude words कई लोगों ने सुना होगा, लेकिन अगर इसका शुद्ध हिंदी किसी को पूछा जाए तो बहुत कम लोग हमको बता पाएंगे. So let me tell you, the Hindi meaning of gratitude is कृतज्ञता, being thankful, किसी का आभारी होना, आभार व्यक्त करना. So these words can be summarized as a gratitude and is the state of being thankful for someone's help or support. So now we have the definition, what is attitude, what is gratitude. दोनों का definition हमको पता है. Now let's combine both the things and compare both the things. So attitude is nature. Attitude is nature of thinking, of behaving, and gratitude is a habit. Okay, both now clear everything. Attitude, how we behave, how we talk, how we respond, how we think, and gratitude is a habit inside us which is noticed by the people surrounding us, right? बहुत भारी भारी सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल थिंग that normally people have attitude but people normally don't have gratitude. Okay, अच्छा इतना ज़्यादा टेंशन मत लो, थोड़ा सा हम आगे बढ़ेंगे, so you will get to know कि ये क्या चीज़ है. Okay, but gratitude is being thankful. किसी को थैंक यू बोलो, शुक्रिया अदा करो, and deliver a thanksgiving note for their help is gratitude. Simple. Now when we come to the topic of today's webinar, which is gratitude is the best attitude. So what we are talking about, we know what is the attitude, we know what is gratitude, we are combining both the things. So attitude plus gratitude means, in a simple word, add thank you in your feelings, in your actions, in your views, in your routine life. Whatever you do, whenever you talk to someone, whenever you are having a problem, whenever you are having an issue, you are not able to find the solution and you are just getting to the zero, that क्या करूँ, किसको पूछूँ, कहाँ जाऊँ, नहीं पता. Add a thanksgiving nature to that thought is the meaning of gratitude is the best attitude. So it's okay. When we are confused, when we are helpless, when we don't know what to do, when we don't find the solutions, and when we add a thank you in that thought, it may bring us solutions inspiration, motivation, and it is a possibility that we will get solution what we are looking for, right? Now मैंने ये बता तो दिया कि ऐसा होता है, बट कैसे होता है भैया ये भी बता दो, राइट? So let us move forward and first understand how can we express gratitude. पहले ये सीखते हैं कि gratitude express कैसे करते हैं, thank you कैसे बोलते हैं, और उसके बाद हम लोग बात करेंगे कि इसकी इफेक्ट क्या होती है. ओके तो भाई ग्रेटिट्यूड कैसे करना ये मेरे को पता है. थैंक यू बोलना मतलब थैंक यू बोलना, सिंपल चीज, राइट? इसमें क्या मतलब कोई तीर मारना नहीं है. थैंक यू तो थैंक यू. नो, there are multiple ways. Just say thank you is the common and well known way of expressing gratitude towards people, right? किसी ने आपकी हेल्प कर दी, कोई दोस्त है, कोई टीचर है, प्रोफेसर है, आपका कलीग है, आपका रिलेटिव है. So if they help you in getting out of something, if they give you what you need, so what you say? Thank you. What other you can say is you are the best. मतलब आपने सर जिस तरह से वो काम किया ना, आई डोंट थिंक और कोई कर सकता है. यू आर द बेस्ट. इट फील्स वेरी हैवी. ओके, आई ओ यू वन. सर आपने आज मेरा ये काम कर दिया, भाई तूने आज मेरा ये काम कर दिया, कभी भी तुझे ज़रूरत पड़े आई विल बी देयर फॉर यू, आई विल हेल्प यू. वॉट आई वुड डू विदाउट यू, वट वुड आई डू. मतलब सच में यार अगर तू नहीं होता तो ये काम मेरे से नहीं हो पाता. इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ यू आई डिड दिस, I came out of this situation. Okay, the heart of the sentence are same. We are expressing the gratitude, but comparing with the thank you, there are multiple sentences which affect a lot on the people who's listening, right? How kind of you. You're so nice. You did this for me. It's excellent. I'll never forget that. Thank you for being there for me. And this is the very, very important sentence, my friends. Thank you for being there for me. We always say thank you. तारो आभार, आपका आभार. लेकिन कभी ये कहते हैं कि आप वहाँ थे, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. I feel very energetic. I feel proud. So these are the ways you can say and express gratitude. I want to thank you all for all the supports and concern. We sometimes have a task which is very heavily loaded. Organizing a webinar, seminar, tour, combining all the team, taking result out of group of people. These are the so many difficult tasks in which we need support of the people which are part of that task. एक जन को लीडर बना दिया और 100 जन के पास से काम कराना है. So एक लीडर नहीं कर सकता. So what a leader will do, he will create more leaders. He will define 10 multiple leaders. And with the combination of that, the result will be achieved. So at the end of the project, the leader has to say thank you to the team, because without the support of the leaders, he cannot achieve the result what he wanted. Now comparing to the gratitude of expression of gratitude, we can say thank you to people. We can say thank you to our friends, relatives, like to people. But people see what others have and feel they don't have anything. If you make a list, एक पेपर ले लो, उसको फोल्ड करो, एक लिस्ट बना दो with things you don't have and write down the things you have. मेरे पास गाड़ी नहीं है, मेरे पास बंगला नहीं है, 6 डिजिट की सैलरी नहीं है, I can't go on frequent tours with my friends. So list down the things you don't have. Okay, I don't have stable job, I don't have big savings in my bank. So list down the things you don't have and list down things you have. You have a family, you have a healthy body, you have food to eat, you have a small car, or if you don't have a car, you have a leg to run, to walk. Okay, and when you compare two lists, and if you see only one at the left side, you will see you don't have all these things and it will demotivate you. But if you see on the right side, you have everything which is the dream of many people. हमारे पास जॉब है, there are so many people who don't have job. We can at least wake up tomorrow morning. In this time, it is a dream of many people that when I go to sleep right now, tomorrow morning I'll wake up and see the sun, right? So it is the focus which we are having, and it depends on the things which we focus, right? किस चीज़ों को हमें देखना चाहिए जो हमारे पास है। नॉर्मली जो हमारे पास है ना, उसकी वैल्यू नहीं होती हमें। और एक ये भी कहते हैं कि जब कोई चीज़ प्राप्त हो जाती है तो उसकी खुशी नहीं रहती। एंड दिस इज द मेन थिंग ऑन विच वी नीड टू फोकस। सी द थिंग्स वी हैव, फोकस ऑन द थिंग वी हैव। अ वेरी फेमस डायलॉग विच वी ऑलमोस्ट नो, मेरे पास गाड़ी है, बंगला है, बैंक बैलेंस है, पैसा है, तुम्हारे पास क्या है, राइट? एंड द रिप्लाई केम्स, मेरे पास माँ है। तेरी गाड़ी, तेरा बंगला, तेरा बैंक बैलेंस, तेरा पैसा, तू तेरे पास रख। आई डोंट हैव एनी इंटरेस्ट इन दैट वन। अपने पास माँ है, बहुत है, राइट? सो दिस इज द वे हाउ यू कैन लुक एट द थिंग्स यू हैव, फोकस व्हाट यू हैव एंड बी हैप्पी टू गॉड एंड नेचर फॉर हैविंग ऑल दिस थिंग विच यू हैव। एक स्टोरी हो जाए छोटी सी। आई थिंक आप लोग कोई आंसर मुझे नहीं दोगे, सो आई एक्सेप्ट कि आप लोगों ने सबने हाँ बोला है। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द स्टोरी। एक जू था और उस जू के अंदर एक कौवा था। ओके, देयर वाज अ क्रो इन अ जू एंड फ्रीक्वेंटली ही थॉट्स व्हेन ही वाज अलोन कि यार काला रंग दे दिया, छोटा सा कद दे दिया, मतलब व्हाट इज दिस, क्या बना दिया ऊपर वाले, ठीक है। सो मेनी टाइम्स ही कंप्लेन्स टू गॉड विद इन हिज माइंड। एक बार बहुत कंटाल गया and he was sitting on a tree and he was watching to the pond in the zoo and a white swan was there. एक सफ़ेद बतख था जो पानी में आराम से तैर रहा था। तो बोला बहुत हुआ। So the crow went to the swan, बतख के पास गया और बोला भाई कैसा है, सब कुछ ठीक है? बोले ठीक है। बोले यार you are so beautiful, look at you, you're so white, you're so white, you're so beautiful and look at me, I'm so black. तो बतख ने कहा कि एक बात बोलूं यार, बात तेरी सही है लेकिन मुझे मेरा विचार भी तेरे जैसा ही है। आई ऑल्सो थिंक द सेम एज यू दैट द पैरट इज ब्यूटीफुल। तो क्रॉ मतलब वो कंफ्यूज हुआ कि भाई मेरे से तो बहुत अच्छा है, बट इफ यू आर ऑल्सो नॉट सेटिस्फाइड दैट द पैरट इज मोर ब्यूटीफुल देन यू, देन लेट मी टॉक विथ पैरट। तो कौवा सीधा गया पैरट के पास। You are so lucky that you are having so many colors and people like you, people love you, you are so lucky. So parrot says, yes, you are right, but my friend, there is one thing I want to tell you. When I see peacock, I feel very depressed. बोले why? Look at peacock. वो मोर है, जब वो बारिश में नाचता है, so people come to him, they take photographs. And he's having multiple colors. I do have 4, 5, 6, 10 colors. He's having multiple colors. Look at the feathers. उसके पंख कितने बड़े हैं, कितने सुंदर है। So really I feel very bad. मैंने बोला ये भी गलत बात है। So he directly went to the peacock. बोले you're so beautiful. So the peacock says, yeah, I'm beautiful. People love me when I dance. I do have so many colors. But you know what is the worst thing? These feathers, मेरे जो पंख है, these are the disaster. वो शॉक हो गया कि मतलब जिन पंखों के लिए लोग पिकॉक को जानते हैं, and when he dance with the flow of the rain, people are like taking photographs and they are so many happy. और फिर भी मोर जो है अपने पंख से खुश नहीं था। सो कौवे ने पूछा कि भाई तुझे क्या दिक्कत है? सो पिकॉक, the मोर says, you know, you can fly to anywhere, you are light-weighted. Because of this hairy feather and body, I cannot fly like you, I cannot freely roam like you, and that's why I say the feather I'm having are the disaster. Then the crow came back to the tree where he was seated before, and he thanked to God and nature that whatever I'm having, I am happy. Because of that I can go anywhere, I can fly, I can sit anywhere. The conclusion, the moral of the story is nature has provided ample opportunities to be grateful. कुदरत ने हमें बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटी दी है ग्रेटफुल होने की. इट इज द ओनली मैटर इफ वी फोकस ऑन दैट, राइट? So this is the thing what we learned from the gratitude and how we can develop a positive gratitude inside us. So let us see when the gratitude comes. So we can be grateful to nature, we can be grateful to the God, the almighty power which runs all of us. But when it comes to people, there are some things which we should notice. लोग जो हैं वो एक दूसरे की तारीफ नहीं करते. आप घर पर बैठे हो ऐसे ही टीवी देख रहे हो और बाजू वाला आके बोलेगा थैंक यू बॉस, नहीं बोलेगा. सो देयर शुड बी समथिंग विच यू हैव डन एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट द पीपल विल बी ग्रेटफुल टू यू. व्हाट कैन बी दिस थिंग्स? इट कैन बी इंस्पिरेशन, मोटिवेशन, guidance, support, appreciation. All these are the most valuable things through which people will be grateful to you, right? Now, don't confuse yourself with all those things. सबका meaning एक नहीं होता. Okay, so inspiration. That look at me. If I can do, you can do also. I am damn sure. अगर मैं कर सकता हूँ तो तू मेरे से अच्छा कर सकता है. This inspires the other people to do and perform better. Motivation. Only you can do it. I know. और तेरे अलावा कोई नहीं कर सकता. You have that guts, you have that power, and I am damn sure you can do that thing. हमको पता नहीं है कि उससे काम होगा नहीं होगा कैसा होगा, but at least what we can say, we can motivate him. I know you can do this. I am not a Jyotishi. I am not the God. But that is what we do. We motivate other people so that they perform beyond their level, right? Guidance. Let me tell you, how can we do this? So we inspire someone, we motivate someone, and if we know the way how to do it, so we guide the people, so we guide other one. देख भाई इसको ऐसे कर, प्रिपरेशन ऐसे करो, अरेंजमेंट ऐसे करो, ठीक है? And with this guidance, people will do that work and they will get succeed. Support. What is support? You are doing great. आप जो कर रहे हो बढ़िया कर रहे हो, मतलब इस काम को आपसे अच्छा कोई नहीं कर सकता. And if in case you need any help, you are doing great. You don't need any help. But in case you feel कि आपको कुछ help चाहिए, I am there. आधी रात को फोन कर देना, मैं आ जाऊंगा. Right? So this is the support what we can give. And the most important, guys, note down this word, appreciation. Appreciation. You did a fantastic job. You did a great job. बहुत मस्त काम करे थे. मतलब भाई तूने काम किया, मजा आ गया. Everybody is happy. They are talking about you. This is called appreciation. And it is the most powerful tool in this world. एक और कहानी हो जाए, एंड ये कहानी है अप्रिशिएशन के ऊपर. ओके, सो ध्यान से सुनना. एक छोटा सा गांव था साउथ इंडिया के अंदर. इन द साउदर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया देयर वाज अ स्मॉल विलेज एंड द विलेज वाज हैविंग अ स्कूल. द स्कूल वाज हैविंग अ टीचर एंड द नेम ऑफ द टीचर वाज मिस्टर रामचंद्रा. ओके, एंड पीपल यूज्ड टू कॉल हिम मिस्टर राम. ओके, so the school was very small. It was in a village. It was a very limited classes and all that. But the academics of that school was so fabulous. वहाँ के जो बच्चे थे, जो लड़के थे, जो students थे, they have some additional quality on them that they perform very nice in the academics. So day by day, when the students performing very well, they going to the other state level schools for the higher education, and people ask भाई कौन सी स्कूल से हो आप? नॉर्मली ऐसा होता है कि when you are like a topper in your class, you are from coming into the next class, people ask इसके पहले कौन सी स्कूल में थे, इसके पहले कौन सी कॉलेज में थे, इसके पहले कहाँ जॉब करते थे. ओके, And people came to know that there is a school in southern part of India, in southern region, which is having very nice academics. The students are coming out of that school are so bright and they have a unique thought process. सो धीरे धीरे ये बात फैलती गई एंड द स्टेट एजुकेशन बोर्ड, जो उस राज्य का जो एजुकेशन बोर्ड था, वहाँ तक ये बात फैली कि यार कोई स्कूल है साउथ इंडिया में अपने रीजन में, एंड देयर इज अ प्रोफेसर, द टीचर मिस्टर राम, एंड ही थॉट द स्टूडेंट वेरी वेल, बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं, मतलब कुछ अलग ही बात है उनके स्कूल में. सो व्हाट दे प्लान, चलो एक काम करते हैं, लेट अस हैव अ विजिट. हम लोग वहाँ पे जाते हैं and see if we find something which can be apply into other school. अगर कोई अच्छी बात है, कोई अच्छा तरीका है, सो हम लोग बाकी के स्कूल में भी उसको अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. देन वी कैन हैव द नाइस आउटकम फ्रॉम द एजुकेशन सिस्टम. सो एवरीबडी वाज ओके. दिस इनिशिएटिव वाज टेकन बाय मिस्टर अय्यर, who had heard a lot for of मिस्टर रामा. ये जो अय्यर साहब थे उन्होंने मिस्टर राम के बारे में बहुत सारी बातें सुनी थी. सो ही वाज लीडिंग दिस विजिट. They informed the school that yeah, we are coming on so and so day and we want to have a visit at the school. And the school replied, yes sir, you are welcome, you can come anytime, we are open, you can come anytime. So everything was scheduled, सब कुछ प्लान के हिसाब से कंफर्म हो गया. And Mr. Iyer went with his team approximately like 250 or 300 kilometers. The school was from the state education board office. सो 250-300 किलोमीटर का रूटीन ट्रैवल करके मिस्टर अय्यर पहुंचे स्कूल में. सो व्हेन ही अराइव्ड द स्कूल, सो द टीचर एंड द स्टाफ वर हैविंग अ मीटिंग एंड दे डिडंट इन्फॉर्म प्रायोरिटी. लाइक उन्होंने पहले इन्फॉर्म नहीं किया कि हम कितने बजे आएंगे. दे टोल्ड हम कभी भी आएंगे, सो वी कैन हैव एनी टाइम ऑफ लाइक विजिट. सो द टीचर्स वर हैविंग मीटिंग एंड मिस्टर अय्यर जस्ट get into school and he informed the peon that we are coming from the state education board. So peon said, yes sir, मुझे राम सर ने बताया था, so I'll inform him. So Mr. Iyer says, okay, you can inform him till the time we will visit the classes. मतलब आप उनको जाके बताइए and till the time we'll see the classes, बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं, classroom कैसे हैं आपके, so we'll see that. So he says, okay sir. So the peon went to inform Mr. Ram that the team has arrived and they are visiting the classroom. So they went into a classroom where everybody was very silent. The teacher was in the meeting, so there was no teacher in the classroom. So Mr. Iyer entered into classroom. So normally students say, good morning sir, right? So Mr. Iyer said, okay, good morning students, please sit down. And with very eagerness that how the students are having knowledge, he pick a student and ask, can I ask you a question? So students say, yes sir, you can ask me. So Mr. A ने पूछा कि tell me what is 2 plus 3. It was a very simple question, and the expected answer was 2 plus 3 equals to 5. The child replied, so 2 plus 3 equals to 4. मिस्टर अय्यर गॉट कंफ्यूज्ड कि मेरे कुछ बोलने में गलती हुई है या तो इस बच्चे को सुनने में गलती हुई है. सो ही रिपीट द क्वेश्चन दैट माय डियर चाइल्ड, आई वांट टू आस्क यू व्हाट इज 2 plus 3. सो द स्टूडेंट रिप्लाइड, सर 2 plus 3 equals to 4. And the students in the classroom, they all are clapping. मिस्टर अय्यर जो थे वो थोड़े कंफ्यूज हो, थोड़ा सा गुस्सा भी आया कि मतलब आई एम ट्रैवलिंग 300 किलोमीटर टू सी द एजुकेशन ऑफ द स्कूल, और इस लड़के को 2 plus 3 का आंसर भी नहीं आता. एंड इवन मोर ही गेट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड व्हेन एवरीबॉडी इज क्लैपिंग. सो ही वाज लाइक फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, हैविंग सम एंगर इनसाइड कि मतलब पता नहीं ये कहाँ से ये अफवाह फैल के मेरे पास आ गई कि इस स्कूल में बहुत ही अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं. मीनवाइल दिस डिस्कशन, मिस्टर राम, Professor Ram enter into classroom. So he said, welcome sir, welcome to our school, we are happy you are here. And Mr. Ram said, oh stop this nonsense. बोले सर क्या हुआ, why you are looking so unhappy? So look at this kid yaar, he even don't know 2 plus 3. So बोले no sir, this cannot be possible. So you ask him. So Mr. Ram asked the question to the student, the same student, what is 2 plus 3? And the kid says, sir, 2 plus 3 equals to 4. The entire class was clapping. Even Mr. Ram was clapping. अब ये सुन के तो मिस्टर अय्यर का गुस्सा मतलब छठे आसमान पे था। बोले ये प्रोफेसर है, ये टीचर है, जिसको खुद को 2+3 नहीं आता, वो बच्चों को क्या पढ़ाता होगा। अब बच्चों के सामने डांट तो नहीं सकते, जैसा भी ये प्रोफेसर है, थोड़ी सी इज्जत रखनी पड़ती है। सो ही जस्ट ग्रैब द हैंड ऑफ मिस्टर राम एंड टेक आउटसाइड हिम टू द क्लासरूम। बाहर जाके बोला, आर यू मैड? डोंट यू इवन नो व्हाट इज 2+3? मिस्टर राम रिप्लाइड, सर आई नो 2+3 इक्वल्स टू 5। अब तो मिस्टर अय्यर का गुस्सा मतलब अनबिलीवेबल। 1 मिनट पहले when you were into classroom, the student replied 2+3 equals to 4 and you clap. Mr. Rama said, yes sir, I clap. And now you know that 2+3 equals to 5. Yes sir, 2+3 equals to 5. Then why did you clap? Now listen my friends. Mr. Rama replied, sir, we know that you are having a visit today in our school. So today morning, when the same question was asked to the same question, I was taking around in school and I asked the same question, that what is 2+3, to the same kid whom you were asking inside. He told me 2+3 equals to 3. And now he's saying 2+3 equals to 4. Sir, I can guarantee you by this evening, this kid will confirm 2+3 equals to 5. This is the power of appreciation. You know it is wrong. It is wrong. The answer is wrong. तुझे आंसर नहीं आता, क्लास के बाहर निकल जा. This can be a way of treating that child. And my dear friend, yes, 2+3 is a wrong answer, but if you motivate that student, if you talk positively, 2+3 equals to 5, and if you appreciate the efforts that the kid is giving, he will give you the right answer very soon. क्लास से बाहर निकाल देना या किसी को चांस नहीं देना, अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं देना, it can be a very big disaster. Have faith, keep patience and keep trying. You will get the right answer, right? So this was the story of a school teacher, and you can apply this kind of thoughts in your routine life. There are two things. We can say no and we can say yes if. ये काम होगा, नहीं होगा. Either we can say होगा लेकिन. Now this लेकिन or this yes if can be having lots of options. बहुत सारे options है कि कैसे होगा. Let's say जिस दिन Wright brothers they talk about flying into sky, and if they say no, नहीं होगा, खत्म बात. Do we have aeroplanes right now? So they thought, instead of no, yes if we build a machine which is having wing, which is having so much of speed, which is having so much of length, weight, which can travel at some, you yes how be grateful to us. The third portion of today's webinar is benefit of gratitude. मतलब हर बार किसी को थैंक यू बोलने से, किसी को मोटिवेट करने से, इंस्पिरेशन देने से कुछ फायदा भी है कि नहीं है भाई? बिना फायदे के काम हम नहीं करते, राइट? सो लेट अस सी, एंड इफ वी फाइंड वी हैव बेनिफिट, विल डू इट, राइट? सो द बेनिफिट ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड, what they have a motivational to someone when you feel they want to give each and every efforts to grow you. Expectation at some moment of life, if you got caught, मतलब आपको नहीं पता आप क्या करेंगे, किससे बात करेंगे, the people will come to you. Why you are so silent? Any issue? सब कुछ ठीक है ना? People will support you to grow. Now it's your birthday. When we say it's your birthday, so birthday के दिन मतलब birthday के टाइम पे दिमाग में क्या आता है? केक है, सब लोग पार्टी करेंगे, ठीक है, मोमबत्तियां बुझाएंगे, केक कट करेंगे, सर पे टोपी पहनेंगे, नए नए कपड़े पहनेंगे, राइट? दिस इज हाउ वी इमेजिन अ बर्थडे पार्टी, राइट? तो गाइस दिस इज टू सिनेरियो ऑफ अ बर्थडे. केक है, मोमबत्ती दोनों में है, जोकर वाली टोपी दोनों में है, नए कपड़े दोनों ने पहने हैं, बट देयर इज अ बिग डिफरेंस इन बोथ द बर्थडे पार्टीज. इन वन साइड द सेलिब्रेशन इज अलोन, so we cannot say it's a celebration, and at the other end केक थोड़ा सा छोटा है, मोमबत्ती थोड़ी सी कम है, but people are together and that is the reason it is a celebration, right? So when people love you, they want to be with you, they like you, they want to listen you, and they will be with you, okay? And problem sharing, multiple solutions. Now when you have people with you, when you have any issue, you will find multiple solutions, you will find multiple ideas through which you can solve your issue, right? एक प्रॉब्लम को एक तरह से देख सकते हैं, but when you are under a problem, when you are under a pressure, when you are under a extreme situation, you cannot think beyond. But the people who are with you, they can guide you. ऐसे करो, ये सोचो, इस तरह से सोचो, ये रास्ता निकालो, ठीक है? So when people love you, they want to be with you, and when you have the people with you, you have multiplication of your celebration and divide of your problems. Now let's talk a thing. अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ कि आज सबको घर पे जाके एक बुक पढ़नी है, you have to read a book by today evening, and the book is containing 100 pages. So is it possible? Sounds possible, not a big thing. If you are a reading lover, if you are a book lover, you can read 100 page in one day, right? If I say आज आपको 2 बुक्स पढ़नी है, each of the book is having 100 pages, so total 200 pages. Is it possible that you can read 200 pages in a day? So I'll say yes, it's not that much difficult. If I spend all the time reading, by tonight I'll complete the 200 pages. I'm a fast reader, right? Now if I say you have to read 10 books by today, each book is having 100 pages. Is it possible? Quite difficult to read 1000 pages today. Now let me tell you something. When we read a book, we absorb the conclusion, the good things, the learning from that books, okay? So when I read a book, at the end of the reading, I have something which is called the conclusion of that book in my mind, okay? So if I put you with 10 people who have read 10 different books, एक रूम में आपको बिठा दिया, 10 जन के साथ आपको बिठा दिया, और हर बंदे ने 10 किताबें पढ़ी हुई हैं, and by the end of this day, if you can able to talk with these 10 people, by end of today you will be having the knowledge of these 100 books. By the end of the day you will have the conclusion which they all having in your mind by today. Why it's possible and how it is possible? It is because you are having people with you. You are having surrounded with the people who love you, who want to support you, right? In this way, you can achieve unexpected results. एक दिन में 100 किताबें कैसे पढ़ी जा सकती हैं? This is also possible if you have that kind of nature, approach, attitude which is full of gratitude, right? And when you have people with you, every moment, every success becomes celebration, because at the end of the day, it is the people who matters. No matter how rich you are, which car you have, which kind of luxury you can afford, but if you are alone, do you even think you can enjoy those things? Put yourself at a place where you have everything. You have luxury car, you have bungalow with a swimming pool, you have the job you want or the monthly income you have a nice bank balance, investment, everything you are having, but you are not having a friend whom you will call to celebrate. It is not worth, because at the end of the day, it is the people who matters, right? You have seen some of the friends, मतलब जब हमारी कॉलेज वगैरह जब खत्म होती है, and when we went out to the real world, when we are into business, we are into job, and we see people are hanging around like we did in our college time, our school time, we miss them, right? We have so much money in our hand, we have a stable life, but if we don't have friends to celebrate, we miss them. So at the end of the day, it is the people who matters, because if people are with you, life becomes celebration. Apart from this, these are like when we talk about the emotional benefits, the thought processes. Apart from these things, is there any scientific benefit towards our physical condition of our body? Yes, my friend. It improves the sleep quality, decrease the blood pressure in those with the hypertension. It reduces the stress and depression. And if you have such kind of balance in your body, it helps you to live longer. Why this thing happen? मतलब किसी को थैंक यू बोलने से, बार बार ग्रेटिट्यूड करने से मतलब इतना इफेक्ट आता है? Yes, because we feel there are people with me. Any problem in the world, I have a team of people. With the help of them, I can solve any solution. I can solve any problem. So when we are confident that tomorrow morning when I'll wake up, no matter how big is the problem, I do have multiple people who will be there with me to help me. This positive thought in our mind keeps our body energetic in positive way, and with this kind of positive energy, we can go to bed, have a nice sleep. We can control the blood pressure, sugar level, anything, because we are happy internally. And it always motivates us, we can do anything, because we are having that kind of people surrounding us, right? I think you guys are listening me near about 45 minutes, and it's not an interactive session. Still, I try to cover the topic in a way that you will find it interesting. And as this topic is all about gratitude, at the end of this webinar, well, we definitely go for a question and answer session. But before going to the end of this webinar, I would like to express my gratitude to Donika madam, who has given me the opportunity to deliver this kind of webinar in my own Parul University. Yes, my own, because I have been a part of this organization in 2010. All the respected faculty members of Parul University who are present in this webinar, and all the technical team who is hidden behind organizing this kind of webinar, and last but not the least, all the viewers on a Facebook Live who have attended this webinar through Facebook. They can be students, they can be a business person, they can be my family members, all of the members who are attending this webinar on Facebook Live. I thank you, each and everyone, for being there for me. And the last slide which I put in all of the webinars I take, and I like this sentence very most, is बाधाएं आती हैं आए, घिरे प्रलय की घोर घटाएं, पांव के नीचे अंगारे, सिर पर बरसे यदि ज्वालाएं, निज हाथों में हंसते हंसते आग लगाकर जलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा. The quote is said by late Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and I think this is a well needed thought process in today's time. We know what's going on around us. When you start the TV, you see the news. We all know what is going on. But do we have any option other than keep smiling, being positive, helping people in a way what we can, and being grateful to Almighty God, because me and you are live. We are living, we are talking. In today's condition, this is the most required gratitude to the God that tomorrow morning we can wake up, we have food in our plate, and we are healthy and safe. Let us all together thank you, God, for this life. So with this, I think it's time to go to question and answer. So, Donika madam, are you there?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Sharad, sir. We will go ahead and take some time for questions.
Okay, so
We
can I
can wait
find?
for 2 or 3 minutes.
Yeah, definitely we'll wait and let's see what comes from the students or the viewers.
Okay, it looks we have one question. That
Okay.
is one of our student asking this question. That is, how
Yes.
can being grateful help us to be strong in this COVID-19 situation?
Superb question, and yes, I was expecting some of the questions like this, which are related to COVID. I was trying that we will not talk for the COVID situation because it's all over the world and it is only spreading the negativity. But yes, let us take the question that how it can help in this COVID situation. Now, first, let us see what we can do in this COVID situation. Can we arrange an oxygen cylinder? Can we arrange a bed? Can we do the treatment? Can we arrange an ambulance? Can we go outside to help someone near and dear? I don't think any of us, apart from paramedical team and medical team or the people who are dealing in the medical field, apart from them, any of us is really that much strong that we can go outside and help someone. I don't think so. So now let us talk what options we are having. We don't have any options other than being positive, focusing on what we are having. Our family is safe, we are alive and safe and healthy. We can have at least a month food in our home to eat so we can sustain in lockdown if applied. Our family members, whomever we know, the community members, whomever we know, the friends, whomever we know, are all they safe? If the answer is yes, then we should focus on that one also. Because when we see news, when we see TV, everything is negative. Oxygen nahi hai, the patients are dying, so many things. And they are telecasting the thing which is affecting our mind, and we are going in a very negative thought process, which is also affecting our immune system. So with this gratitude of nature, we just thankful to God, thankful to the people who are being at their home, taking all the preventive measures like mask and sanitization, and being grateful that yes, till this moment, till today, I am okay, I am safe, and yes, tomorrow also I'm going to be safe and I'll be helping people in a manner I can. With this kind of thought, we can boost up the positivity inside us, and that is the main thing which is lacking in today's COVID condition. People are so negative, they get fears. मुझे हो गया तो मैं क्या करूँगा, डोंट थिंक इन दैट वे, मुझे नहीं हुआ है, दैट इज अ ग्रेट थिंग, आई एम सेफ, आई एम हैप्पी, आई एम लिविंग, एंड आई विल टेक केयर ऑफ माई फैमिली, एंड फॉर ऑल दिस आई एम थैंकफुल टू गॉड. I think with this kind of nature and with this kind of thought process, this gratitude nature can help us to fight the COVID-19 situation also. I hope that's fine.
Okay, Mr. Sharad, we have covered all our questions, right? It was very interesting and motivational session.
Thank you.
Is
Should I
there
stop my
anything else you
screen?
wanted? Sorry?
Should I stop my screen?
Yes, sir, you can. Is there anything else you wanted to cover before the wrap up?
Yeah, if we don't have any like further question, then yes, I would like to add one more thing. If we have time, can we have like 5 to 7 minutes more?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, so there were two stories, and I think everybody liked that story. So now I would like to conclude with one last story. Everybody have seen the Ramayana on TV. सबने रामायण देखी है टीवी के ऊपर. ओके, आई थिंक लास्ट लॉकडाउन में तो सभी ने देखी है, जिसने नहीं देखी थी उसने भी देख लिया, राइट? So we know many things about this Ramayana and all the events which are happening in Ramayana. Okay, so there is an event when Hanumanji goes to Lanka to see the Sita Mata, and there is a very long story behind that one. So when he enter into Lanka and when he meet to Sita Maiya, and then he said कि मैया मुझे भूख लगी है, खाना खाना है, and with the permission of Sita Maiya he goes to the Ashok Vatika, and then the fight happens, then the Meghnath comes, and he take Hanuman with bounding his hands and everything towards Ravan. Okay, रावण से इसको मारो, मतलब इसने मेरा अपमान किया है, blah blah blah. And Vibhishan came that, sir, we cannot kill a messenger, we cannot kill the messenger, so what we can do, we can just burn his tail. हम हनुमान जी की पूछ जो है उसको जला देते हैं. And this news goes viral into Ashok Vatika, and a Rakshasi came to Sita that Sita, वो जो बानर आया था जिसको आपने अपना बेटा कहा था, तो लंका नरेश ने कहा कि उनकी पूछ को जला दिया जाए. And the Sita was praying to the Lord Fire. अग्नि देवता को उन्होंने दो हाथ जोड़ के ये विनती की कि हे प्रभु, आप इतना कर देना मेरे लिए कि वो जो अग्नि है, जो ज्वाला है, उससे मेरे हनुमान की पूछ ना जले. ओके, देन व्हाट हैपेंस, उनकी पूछ को जला दिया, पूरी लंका में उन्होंने आग लगा दी, and even not a single hair of Hanuman tail got burned because of that fire. हनुमान जी की पूछ जो थी उसका एक बाल तक नहीं जला और पूरी लंका को उन्होंने आग लगा दी. Is it possible that the fire which just blows up the whole Lanka cannot even burn a single hair of Hanuman tail? जिस आग से पूरी लंका को जला दिया, लेकिन उसी आग से हनुमान जी की पूछ का एक बाल तक नहीं जला. It is not that quite possible, but still it happens. The conclusion is, in your life, whenever you feel that there is something unexpected happened, आपने सोचा कम था, बहुत ज़्यादा मिला, you didn't even plan कि ये मैं कर पाऊंगा, and you did it extremely well, always remember there is someone who's praying with his two hands to God. जब भी सफलता मिले, always thought कोई ना कोई हमारे पीछे प्रे कर रहा है, and that is the reason we are getting unexpected results of our efforts. I think that was the last quote I would like to share with you, and we'd like to wind up the session if you don't have any further question and answers. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Sharad. Even I can also say after this session that gratitude is antidote of negative emotions, right?
100%.
Yeah. So thank you very much for this webinar. Thank you, everyone. We appreciate you being here. Thanks again for joining us today. Have a nice day.
Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day. Be safe. Be at home. Thank you.